Okay, I'm going to talk about the Swagman Dispatch 2-bicycle bike rack, and hopefully my little tips here will help you put yours together. Since I do have a step-through bike, sometimes known as a lady's bike, I also got the Swagman Deluxe Bar Adapter. So, not too bad putting it together. Here you see I've got it installed and mounted on the Jeep Trailhawk, and so you install it by putting the 2-inch hitch in there. And these bars here were a little bit tricky sliding them in. I wound up sliding them in independently of each other and mating the bars actually on the interior. I found that when I was trying to put this whole bar together, it's two separate bars here, I found out when I was trying to put them together, I couldn't slide it through there and get the holes to align. But somehow, miraculously, it works when you mate it on the inside. So that was that, and so it was tightened all the nuts up after that, got them in there, then put the slide bars on. That was pretty self-explanatory. You do want to have the hole, if I go right up under here, maybe you can see that. You do want to have these holes on the bottom so that you can put the little screw in there to kind of keep it from folks being able to slide it off very easily. The bike rack holders. These units, pretty standard. You see the two racks there, kind of slide down, up and down. So got room to put another bike on the other side. Very sturdy. We do have a Winnebago View Motorhome RV, and this was recommended if you're going to do RVs and like SUVs. So you notice here on the box it does say RV approved. You only need a couple of tools, a 1-inch racket, and a couple of other little tools. That's about all you need. Also, nice feature is it will lock right here, so makes it hard for someone to steal it with its locked. So there you have it, the Swagman RV approved. Yeah, it took me maybe 30 minutes to put it together because basically I didn't know what I was doing, but I figured it out, and so good luck.